Let's demonstrate how to use a digital torque measurement to calibrate the digital torque wrench that has lost accuracy. Material requirements: digital torque wrench, digital torque measurement, socket. First, connect the digital torque measurement to the socket, and then combine it with the digital torque wrench. Next, apply the force to the digital torque wrench. Digital torque measurement: 438 Nm, digital torque wrench, 421 Nm. Then, calculate the error value. The error that needs to be adjusted is about 4%. Start calibration. First, turn off the digital torque wrench. Enter the Smart Calibration mode. Adjust 4% compensation. Adjust OK, press Save and turn off. Then turn on the digital torque wrench and verify again. Has the error value been calibrated successfully? Digital torque measurement: 419 Nm, digital torque wrench, 418 Nm. The calibration completed. Thank you for watching.